Samsung is back with a bold move, introducing the Galaxy S25 Edge, and this time they've made some massive changes that are impossible to ignore. Thanks to dummy unit leaks and tipsters like Evan Blass, we now know the S25 Edge is Samsung's thinnest flagship yet, featuring an ultra-slim 5.8mm titanium frame and weighing just 163 grams. Visually, the phone carries dual rear cameras, including a 200-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens complete with an LED flash. And yes, it looks suspiciously similar to the iPhone 16's camera module. Samsung's designers might have been feeling a little inspired, but at least it still looks great in the hand. When it comes to protection, Samsung isn't playing around either. They've equipped the S25 Edge with Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, a material likely offering the same anti-reflective shielded qualities seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Although Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 hasn't been officially announced yet, no one really knows if it's actually better than Victus 2, but let's all pretend it is. Speaking of comparisons, when you stack the S25 Edge against the S25 Ultra, the thinness becomes almost ridiculous. It's about the size of the Ultra's S Pen. Clearly, Samsung is going all in on the thinner is better philosophy, whether or not anyone asked for it. Internally, Samsung is equipping the S25 Edge with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 1 chipset, built on TSMC's 3nm processor and featuring a custom Orion CPU design. This powerhouse chip is not just efficient, but can even handle heavy-duty gaming titles like GTA 5 via emulation. Backing the performance is Samsung's latest One UI 7, running on top of Android 15, offering smoother animations, cleaner design, and a host of new features. It's widely considered one of the best Android skins currently available. Despite the slim frame, Samsung has fitted the S25 Edge with a 3,900 mAh battery. While on paper, this capacity might seem a bit underwhelming compared to other flagship models, Samsung claims significant optimization to ensure longer battery life. Still, it's fair to be skeptical, especially when devices like the S25 Ultra offer far bigger batteries. Calling a 3,900 mAh cell long-lasting might be a bit of a stretch, but optimization could help close the gap. Pricing for the S25 Edge has stirred debate after a slip-up by Samsung Canada revealed a starting price of $1,678 Canadian dollars for the 256GB variant, roughly $1,209 US, with US pricing expected between $1,100 and $1,200. Just below the $1,300 Galaxy S25 Ultra. This strategy has drawn criticism, especially after Bloomberg reported that Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air, another ultra-thin device, may start at just $899, though it will likely feature lower specs like a single rear camera and aluminum frame compared to the S25 Edge's dual cameras and titanium build. The phone is set to launch officially at Samsung's online-only Unpacked event on May 13th, with US shipping starting May 30th and earlier releases in China and South Korea around May 23rd. Although Samsung aimed to outpace Apple by releasing a slim phone first, its aggressive pricing could backfire, especially since spending a little more offers customers the more capable S25 Ultra with better cameras, a bigger battery, enhanced cooling, and a more versatile design.